Hi, this is John with Dolly TI, and trying to improve with my facial skincare. This is where this complete creamy cleanser comes into place. And I'm gonna tell you some of the things that I like the most about this. So I have a mixed skin, so it could be some areas could be really oily, and some of that could be dry. So around the beard area, and the hydration for me is really important around that place. But this is a creamy cleanser that is going to have this texture that is not only going to take all the dirt from your face that you have to do it often for you not to get so many pimples or to try to keep your face as clean as possible. At the same time, it's hydrating. It's gonna give you all this hydration that areas of your face that needs more moisture. It's just gonna do the job perfectly. It's a creamy sensation, so it's not gonna be too harsh or it's not gonna be like a foam sensation. You put it in your face, do your routine, and you keep your face as clean as possible. So we're about to go into hot weather and more humid, and this is what you're trying to get hydration. So this was Sean with Lazy Eye, and that was my point of view.